It's him and I.
Hey, this is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing. We have a job today where we're going to be washing the walkway. Washing the walkway. And we're going to be washing the porch, concrete on the porch. Get this green moss off. And we're going to be hitting around the windows and doors, get that a little bit wider. Have some bird droppings right here that we're going to try to get clean. I'm going down that pole. We're going to try to get all that cleaned up right there. Get all this a little bit wider. So this little area right here is added on for what? A lot of windows right there. So we're gonna hook up to the water and get started. Pre-soaking the bushes because since I'm using bleaching chemicals, I want to make sure that I don't kill the plants. Box of tricks right here. This is a J-rod that I keep used for soap. and used for rinse. So I'm gonna use this for the rinse along with my long extension. Have some hard areas on the bricks that I need to get. I'm gonna use my green tip to do that. I usually like the green tip because it's wide fan. It's got pressure, but not too much. As long as I don't be on top of it, it shouldn't do too much damage to the brick. You don't want to use this on like siding or anything like that. It's gonna damage it. It's just brick and concrete only with the green tip. Now on this front door, I'm not gonna really hit it because usually front doors have some type of stain on it. And what's gonna happen is as soon as you put your chemicals on it, it's gonna leave streaks and stuff. So if you do get bleach or something on it, make sure you wash it off real quick. And rinse the bushes because, like I said, you don't want to kill them with chemicals. So make sure you rinse them off as much as you possibly can. Use the green tip on this hole right here because it got the bird poop. It's not coming off with the soft wash. So usually what I do, I use the green tip, stand back a little bit far, just make sure that I'm just knocking it off and not taking off the paint. a painted porch, so I'm not gonna put too much pressure on it. I don't want to strip the paint off. I just want to get the dirt off. So you might have to do 1 or 2 passes because you're moving kind of quick. You're not trying to stay in one place, and make sure that you're not trying to stay in one place and strip off the paint. As I'm washing this off, I'm gonna use my green tip. Now make sure I get my bricks good because it still got some mold and stuff on it, some moss and stuff on it. And I'm gonna move the flower pots out the way and get underneath there so that way if we do move them, we won't see nothing that I left. Try to be careful when you move flower pots because sometimes they're old and they'll crack on you. So just keep that in mind. I don't know if you can see the difference right there and right there. So it is coming cleaner. See the difference? Alright, try to clean the rest. I'm gonna do a rinse. Use my green tip. Okay, that's it for the porch. Now do the concrete. I'm gonna do a cut in around the stairs because my surface screen is not gonna get that close. I normally don't cut around the bushes and the edge of the concrete. I use my surface clean with that, but if I have overhang from plants or something, then I use the one to cut in. That's your before. That's your after. We're gonna do a post treatment, but right now we gotta finish this walkway. Try to do the low side first, so that way the water won't pool up on you and leave a puddle and it'll be hard for you to clean. Look at everything. That's clean. All right, look at the house now. It looks whiter now, don't it? Got a little section over here by the window. That's clean. Get it a little bit better. That's clean now. Over here, that's clean. Go back and see concrete. You see up here, all that black mold and stuff is gone. Everything's brighter and whiter. Got that area up there. Down here. Clean the bird droppings. Looks pretty good. Top, everything's white. Okay, I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit, and while this sit, I'm gonna do a post treatment on the concrete that I washed earlier in the front. So that's why I made all this solution. It's been holding up pretty good, so we'll see. So the only thing I'm gonna do is just spray the concrete so the lines will be more obvious. Clean it, girl. Okay, you can post treat after. You can post treat with your pump sprayer, or you can use your X-Jet or downstream it. I prefer to use the pump sprayer because I can use less chemical and make sure there's a little bit stronger than mixing water with it. Okay, this is my post treatment on this little area right here. There's a lot of spots on here, so this post treatment is going to get all the spots up. I'm not going to stick around to see it come clean, but I know it's going to come clean. Okay, I am all loaded up. See the post treatment. Pretty much cleaned it up pretty good. All the way done. Leave the white spots, that's the chemicals that's on the, they're killing all that mold and stuff. That's just clean. That is clean. That is clean. Okay. All right, that's it for this video. Once again, this is Marcos from Equipment Out Pressure Washing. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.